want y'all to know for the first ever time live, man. We was out there for the beach weekend. It was a beautiful moment. There were so many beautiful women. At the cameraman behind me, another beautiful woman. She brought her friends. It was a vibe. Y'all was everywhere, alcohol was everywhere, food was everywhere, women was everywhere. It was the most amazing thing you could have missed. If you wasn't there, sorry for you, nigga.
But the average stress down, play the game.
The black people are having a good time together. Happy people. Happy people.
We had this whole weekend. It's a lot of blackness going on.
A lot of blackness.
It's a whole lot of love for these black people. Got Sharonda on the goddamn camera holding it down. You
the
feel
best
me?
content